Today I'm going to introduce Roscoe 4-wheel drive flathead dump truck, developed for mining zones, muddy rural mountain roads, and harsh off-road working conditions. It is equipped with a Cummins B170 30-speed engine, matched with a 5-speed manual transmission. It features heavy-duty front and rear axles rated 2.5 tons and 10 tons respectively, fitted with 9.00 R20 6-ply heavy-load tires. The inner cargo box measures 4,200 by 2,200 by 800 plus 200 millimeters. The flat semi-berth cab offers a spacious interior. This truck is suitable for multiple applications, including haulage. If you have purchase or bulk procurement intentions, feel free to contact us. See you next time.